Can you make a difference in someone else's life? There's a story in the Bible in Philippians chapter 4 that tells us about two individuals in the Philippian church that had issues with each other. And in Philippians chapter 4, verse 2, the Apostle Paul writes to these two ladies, and he says, I implore Euodia and I implore Syntyche to be of the same mind in the Lord. Now, how would you like that to be written about you, that a disagreement you've had with somebody else is actually recorded in the Bible? That would not be fun to see your name, immortalized like that. But the story doesn't stop there. In the very next verse, Paul says, I urge you also, true companion, help these women who labored with me in the gospel. So Paul refers to a true companion. And it's interesting, in the Bible, the word true companion, the Greek word for that is sysagus. So what seems to be happening here in Philippians chapter 4, Paul's not talking to just somebody in the Philippian church to help these ladies. This is probably the individual's name, sysagus. So in a way he's saying, listen, Gus, you need to help these two ladies. They're having an issue. You need to step in, and you can make a difference in their life. We need to take this example and recognize when there's difficulties in the church, when two people just can't seem to get along, we can be our brother's keeper. We can be a sysagus, and we can step in and help to mend the differences. And what then can truly result is unity. Let's make it our goal to be a true companion and help form that unity of the Spirit that is so needed. That's BT Daily. We'll see you next time.